Hi there, students. The low-hanging fruit. This is a noun and an idiom, or even a metaphor as well. So the low-hanging fruit is the easiest of a set of measures, a set of tasks, or a set of goals. Low-hanging fruit is something easy to obtain or achieve. So the market is very competitive and there is no hanging fruit left. There are no easy things left to do because all the other companies have already picked the low-hanging fruit. Yeah, they've done all the easy things and now only the difficult things are left to do. The language you used in your essay was very simple and easy to use. You only used the low-hanging fruit. You needed to use some more ambitious vocabulary. If you have multiple tasks to complete, go for the low-hanging fruit first. It's easy to do and that will build and boost your confidence. So the low-hanging fruit, the easy parts of a task, the easy solutions to implement, the easy objectives to obtain, easy pickings if you like. So imagine a fruit tree full of ripe fruit. The fruit that is hanging down low is easy to pick. There's no problem. It's the fruit that's hanging higher up that is much more difficult to pick. Either you've got to climb the tree or get a ladder or something like that. So we all tend to pick the low-hanging fruit first. When it comes to implementing policy, governments like to go for the low-hanging fruit. Things that are not contentious, things that don't upset people. We need to reduce the company's production costs, and I can see a lot of low-hanging fruit. Easy way to reduce our budget. So, once you've picked all the low-hanging fruit, you then have to go for harder objectives. I guess the first certificate is low-hanging fruit if you compare it to passing proficiency. It's much easier to do. So, it's a nice easy phrase to use. You see, I picked low-hanging fruit for today's other video. Next question, what about formality? I think this is informal. I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. You could use this in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I don't think it's particularly good for something that's very formal. Objectives that are easy to obtain, yeah, or something like that. And then the origin, well, it's easy. Ripe fruit hanging low down on a tree that's easy to pick, is easy to get. An easy target. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Low-hanging fruit.